Welcome to the Imran.Family kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make Moroccan-inspired avocado smoothie, which is known as ZaaZaa. So let's move on to the recipe now. Okay, so we have an avocado over here. So what you want to do is just scrape out the avocado into the blender. If you have elite avocado scraping skills, you can perhaps do this in one go. But I think I lost a bit of patience. Okay, so we are using a full avocado. Michelin star settings going on over here, I suppose, or not. Okay. Usually, when you're making a recipe like this, a lot of people, they choose to add some sugar. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a substitute for sugar in the form of condensed milk and also in the form of a couple of dates as well. So let's put in 2 dates. So adding in 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. Next, we're going to add in like just a handful of cashew nuts. Now the next part is up to you. Add enough milk according to the consistency that you like. We're going to use about just 1 small glass over here. That's it. Okay, so just cover up this blender, and then it's time to just give this a good little blend. And okay, so it's time to pour in the avocado. Look at that creaminess. The viscosity of it is there. It looks wonderful. You can see the viscosity of it, and I can't actually wait to have this. Okay, so we're gonna garnish this with just a little bit of the cookie crumbs of Oreo. So it gives it a good contrast. So let me just place that all around. Also do check my Oreo milkshake that I made a couple of times on this channel, which was one of the best beverages ever. And then what I'm going to do is, well, let's add just a couple more of these. This will be a great contrast with this. And then to kind of finish off, I'm going to add in like 2 pieces or 3 pieces of papaya. You just layer it like this on top. A couple of well, I've got a couple of frozen strawberries over here, and then you put the straw inside, and then finish off with a full Oreo. And then let's place the umbrella on top, like so. And there you have it. Okay, so you saw how to make this Moroccan-inspired avocado smoothie. It's really creamy, sweetened with the dates. It's really refreshing with the benefits of avocado. Avocado is one of those that if you have it, it gives you one of the essential good fats that you need in your diet. And a lot of people that go to gym and they are maintaining a physique, they really benefit with the immense benefits that it contains. And with that said, you can view more of our beverage recipes within our playlist over here. You can view more Moroccan recipes over here. And with that said, catch you in the next one.